Welcome to Bowling Green, Kentucky, USA, known for its great companies like General Motors, Spalding, and Fruit of the Loom. Now this video provides 10 reasons why people love Bowling Green. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Bowling Green, Kentucky, USA. Population around 75,000. Now just for context, we have a map here. We have circled Bowling Green. Bowling Green is an hour and 45 minutes from Louisville and 2 hours and 20 minutes from Lexington. Now this video provides 10 reasons why people love Bowling Green. People love Bowling Green because of Mammoth Cave National Park. The park lives up to its name, just 30 miles northeast of Bowling Green, with more than 400 miles of this underground landscape mapped and explored, leaving possibly thousands of miles uncharted. Mammoth Cave is one of the largest cave systems in the country. The only way to see the underground world at Mammoth Cave is on a ranger-led guided cave tour. Tours range from accessible subterranean introductions all the way to 6-hour wild cave tours, which have you squeezing through small passageways. Cave tours are offered almost every day of the year, with reservations available and recommended. Many of the standard cave tours include walking through lighted passageways with absolutely no crawling of any kind involved. Steps and uneven floors may be encountered. It's recommended to wear long pants and long sleeves as the caves hover around a constant 45 degrees Fahrenheit year-round. People love Bowling Green because of the National Corvette Museum. Bowling Green has been the exclusive home of Corvette manufacturing since 1981. The city displays this prestigious history at the National Corvette Museum northeast of downtown. Auto enthusiasts and those less mechanically inclined enjoy the history and sleek exhibits at this National Museum, which is open 7 days a week. Known as America's sports car, Corvettes are famous across the world for their style, performance, and numerous big screen cameos. Among many other things, the 115,000 square foot museum features more than 80 different Corvette models. Corvettes on display include pristine antiques, unique concept cars, and the latest prototypes. Other popular attractions at the museum include thousands of photos, historical advertisements, and memorabilia on display. A Corvette simulator allows patrons to get behind the virtual wheel of a fast-moving vehicle. Between March and September, the museum hosts Corvette rides for a real-life experience in the passenger seat. Located 1 mile away from the museum, the National Corvette Museum Motorsports Park provides other racetrack opportunities. Visitors to the Motorsport Park enjoy go-kart rides, laps in a personal vehicle, and high-performance driving instruction behind the wheel of a Corvette. People love Bowling Green because of the historic Railpark and Trail Museum. Trains and railroad innovations helped build Bowling Green into what it is today, and the historic Railpark and Trail Museum is a testament to the past. Located at the landmark Bowling Green, Louisville, and Nashville depot, the historic Railpark contains a museum and restored rail cars that visitors can climb aboard. Within the two-story museum, artifacts and memorabilia relate to the fascinating history and importance of railroads throughout the region. On the grounds outside, 5 different rail cars have been completely restored, and visitors are encouraged to step aboard and see what travel was like during the early to mid-20th century. People love Bowling Green because of Chaney's Dairy Bar. Chaney's Dairy Bar is a favorite family place to visit south of town. It's Chaney's homemade ice cream that gives this agro-tourist attraction its statewide reputation, made right on site and available for immediate consumption. Visitors and locals to Kentucky will also recognize the brand on most grocery shelves. But it's so much more than award-winning ice cream that makes Chaney's a daytime destination. Kids have several ways to burn off some energy, including a new expansive playground space with adaptive features. Other things to do include trailer rides, a jumping pillow, and self-guided tours to see the property's astronaut robotic milker. People love Bowling Green because of Western Kentucky University. The university is home to the Hilltoppers and more than 20,000 students on an elevated campus on the north side of Bowling Green. Originally founded in 1906, Western Kentucky attracts students from across the world today thanks to its beautiful campus and sterling catalog of academic programs. A fun place to visit on campus for some regional history is the Kentucky Museum, filled with 6 permanent galleries of historic and cultural artifacts from across the state. Another collegiate attraction that brings together the city is Hilltoppers athletic events. This includes basketball at the E.A. Diddle Arena and football at the L.T. Smith Stadium. West of campus, the Baker Arboretum appeals to nature lovers with 115 rolling acres and a wide range of trees and interpretive information. People love Bowling Green because of Aviation Heritage Park. On the south side of the city, bordering the popular Basil Griffin Park, this open-air aviation museum features decommissioned and restored military aircraft on display. 5 aircraft and 2 helicopters are on the circular plaza of the park, including fighter jets, supersonic trainers, and a Phantom II that was shot down during the Vietnam War. Plaques next to the aircraft describe the history of each plane and how it ties into Southern Kentucky aviation. The park also puts on events throughout the year, including hangar parties and open cockpit days, where visitors can get in the pilot seat of these big planes. People love Bowling Green because of Fountain Square Park. At the center of downtown and much of the city's history, Fountain Square Park is a pleasant plaza and community area to visit. Officially opened to the public in 1872, the rich history surrounding the park is evident the moment you start touring the grounds. Civil War soldiers occupy the space at Fountain State Park, so have prohibitionists and civil rights activists. Much of the downtown Bowling Green is easily accessible from the central location of the park. The iconic marquee of the Capitol Arts Center is seen across the street. Interpretive information at the park describes the history behind the space, and the central fountain itself is a work of art that deserves a pause to appreciate. People love Bowling Green because of Beech Bend Park. Beech Bend is an amusement park, raceway, and campground all rolled into one. The rides and attractions of the amusement park are well known throughout the region and include upside-down roller coasters, rotating joy rides, and an epic collection of water slides at the Splash Lagoon Water Park. Special events at Beech Bend Park include the weekly Friday Night Lights beginning in May, when the whole park is illuminated for some evening enjoyment. The on-site drag strip at Beech Bend is also a popular spectator destination, especially during the Bluegrass Nationals that take place in May. The campground at Beech Bend has nearly 500 different campsites to choose from, with about half supporting full hookup RVs. People love Bowling Green because of Riverview at Hobson Grove. Also referred to as the Hobson Estate, this historic mansion is located north of downtown and provides an authentic look at the 1800s culture in Bowling Green. Of Italian design, this mansion, now on the National Register of Historic Places, was built between the late 1850s and 1872, with construction halted during the Civil War. Tours of the historic home have been taking place for nearly 50 years. The estate also hosts several events and programs, including special candlelight tours. People love Bowling Green because of Lost River Cave. One of the best ways to discover the history beneath Bowling Green is to see it for yourself with a visit to Lost River Cave. As one of Kentucky's only underground boat tours, the nonprofit Lost River Cave provides a unique experience riding the current of a subterranean river. The tour guide driving the boat does a great job relating the history of the cave and underground waterway, as well as the surrounding blue pools of the area. Once home to Civil War camps, underground nightclubs, and even garbage dumps, Lost River Cave now lends a vital understanding of the water systems that surround Bowling Green. Cave boat tours take place 7 days a week. The guided tours are suitable for all ages, and boat rides last for approximately 30 minutes. Lost River Cave also features a natural playground area, zip line tours, and surrounding nature trails. The reasons provided in this video are not all the reasons why people love Bowling Green. If you've got a reason why you love Bowling Green, pop it in the comments section. I'll make another video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Ciao for now!